What's wrong, babe?
My chairs.
What about them?
My chairs, they're gone.
Oh, here you go. Here you go. It's okay. Hey guys, what are you up to?
We're just out for a drive and we're going to stop in one of my favorite thrift stores and find some furniture to flip. We're going to find some treasures. Can you taste it? So we are ripping off the skirts of these chairs, which underneath reveals that they're super modern and cool, but the skirt makes them look super grandma. So we just take about 3 minutes to rip these skirts off. It's pretty easy. And then it's a pretty sweet little chair. We clean them up, make sure they look nice and fresh, but we don't really have to do much to them. 5 minutes here, we got ourselves a West Elm chair.
Not so sure about this one here. $12 couch.
So a big part of selling furniture is actually just making it look nice in your home. It's not about tricking people, it's just about trying to make it look its best. So obviously we have added some plants, some greenery. We have this nice, my favorite photo from Portugal that we took. And so it's really just about making it look cute so that people can see the best version of the furniture itself. We do this when we stage our homes too to sell. It's that anytime that someone walks into a home and they can envision themselves in it, or they kind of get to dream about what it would be like for them living there. And the same thing with this furniture is that they get to see, oh, that's really cool, that could look cool in my house.
24 hours later.
So the green velvet couch that was really retro and vintage, we bought for $12 and we ended up selling it for $130, just because she wanted us to deliver it to her because we had a truck and she didn't. So we charged a little extra for that, and so we made about $118 on that one. The white one we bought for $25 and sold that one for $100. Both of those were gone within 6-8 hours. The yellow chairs I really wanted to keep. We really loved them, but we decided to put them out there at a high price and just see what the response was, to see if we really could get a high number for these chairs or if we were just crazy. So I put them at $200 a piece, thinking that was way too high and then I would get to keep them. But I ended up getting a lot of responses. Not everybody, it wasn't as quick as the other ones because it was a higher price, but I definitely got rid of them still within 24 hours. So I sold those ones for $400 and I paid $50 total for those. So that was a $350 profit. So for the sake of the video, we sold the yellow chairs and I'll spend the rest of my life searching for them again. I love them so much, but the lady who bought them loved them too, so that made me really happy. If you're trying to make extra cash, flipping furniture is really pretty easy. You can go to a thrift store, you can even do it on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to kind of see what other people can't see. And the best part about these chairs with the skirts is that it's something that people don't realize what's underneath, and it's such an easy process to do, and you rip off the skirt and it's like Cinderella underneath. So if you're hoping to try this out on your own and get started, a few tips I have for you is number one, make sure it doesn't have a bad smell, whether that's smoke or pets. Just kind of sniff it before you buy it. Number two would be make sure it doesn't have any cat hair or dog hair like ingrained in the fibers if you get like a tweed material. And number three is look for those mid-century legs underneath. That's definitely something that most people just don't see in a thrift store, so they just don't recognize how cool it can be. And so that's kind of an advantage you have in going in, is that not everybody's looking for these chairs. So make sure that they're intact and that those cool legs are underneath, and then you got yourself a nice piece of furniture. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more flippin' tips. I laughed again. Stop. Yeah! I can see your eyebrows mimicking mine.
Yeah. I think we might keep these
I'm
ones.
gonna keep them. Can I keep them?
You can. We need to find a place for them. But
Right here.
okay. All right.